In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix the TikTok video upload stuck problem. Let's get started. First, open TikTok and check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network and try switching between them if your upload is stuck. Next, restart the app or your device as this can fix temporary glitches that may interrupt with the upload process. If the issue still continues, check the video size and length because very large files or unsupported formats can sometimes cause uploads to freeze. You should also make sure your app is updated to the latest version. So launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app TikTok. Once app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version since outdated versions can lead to bugs and upload errors. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, completely delete the TikTok app from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. With these, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.